Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this stock report for Adobe Systems. The report was first published on our website Friday, September 16, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Our aim is to help you answer the question, should I buy or sell Adobe Systems? In this video, you will get insight into the technical and fundamental situation and future price predictions. Please remember to subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since September 13, 2022, our system ranks the Adobe Systems stock as a sell candidate, giving it a score of -3.775. In this period the stock has had a loss of -18.70%. This is an average return of -4.68% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Adobe Systems, our last headline reads, Adobe Systems stock price down 3.12% on Friday. The Adobe Systems stock price fell by -3.12% on the last day, Friday, September 16, 2022, from $309.13 to $299.50. It has now fallen 3 days in a row. During the last trading day the stock fluctuated 2.76% from a day low at $292.14 to a day high of $300.20. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days but is still down by -19.17% for this period. Volume fell on the last day along with the stock, which is actually a good sign as volume should follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume fell by -13 million shares and in total, 15 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $4.47 billion. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $699.54, and the lowest price was $292.14. Right now the price is 57.19%, or $400.04, below 52-week high at $699.54, which also is all-time high for the stock. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 1.46% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 1.46% and 53.61%. The 12-month trend indicates a -42.28% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between -48.76% and -18.55%. This equals a price between $153.46 and $243.94 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. From analysts, Adobe Systems stock received a general strong buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the Adobe Systems stock a neutral rating. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for Adobe Systems. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stock. There are few to note technical positive signals at the moment. The Adobe Systems stock holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general sell signal from the relation between the two signals where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On corrections up, there will be some resistance from the lines at $360.47 and $401.32. A breakup above any of these levels will issue buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, August 15, 2022, and so far it has fallen -33.59%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume fell together with the price during the last trading day, and this reduces the overall risk as volume should follow the price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a sell signal. Pivots gave a sell signal 24 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 13 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 18 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 15 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a sell signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a sell signal 18 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 12 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Adobe Systems. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level, and given the right condition the stock may perform very badly in the next couple of days. This stock may move much during the day, volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $8.06 between high and low, or 2.76%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 3.85%. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Adobe Systems meets first resistance at $309.13. If you do not hold Adobe Systems shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. The stock does not have any support from accumulate volume below and may therefore fall very hard and fast given the right conditions. Caution is warned, and you should not place any bet unless you're a skilled trader and know how to play these cases. In the table we have listed other potential swing trading levels based on the famous Fibonacci model. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Adobe Systems is strong buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. The 5 latest insides trades have been done by Garfield Mark S., whom have bought and sold 1,235 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative at a ratio of -33.415. In total, the insiders bought 33,116 and sold 67,848 shares in the last 100 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, no stop loss set. Is Adobe Systems stock a buy? Adobe Systems holds several negative signals and is within a very wide and falling trend, so we believe it will still perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. We therefore hold a negative evaluation of this stock. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Monday 19th, we expect Adobe Systems to open down -$2.22 and start trading at $297.28. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. And remember to subscribe to the channel to get all the latest videos and updates.